everyone. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hope you're ready to get back to work. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go over the markets. All right. All right. We'll start with big picture. Let's take a look at big picture now. We're getting buy signals, guys, on the equity markets: Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and Russell. All right, on the 240-minute time frame. So we'll go over that. That's important. Okay, so buyers are coming back into this market. Crazy, right? All right, big picture. All right, pound yen, guys, pound yen pull back. This is on the weekly time frame. So every candle here is a week's worth of data. All right, so we closed last week, right down here. Here's the new week. All right, currently it's up. We're looking to test resistance here. All right, big picture, pound yen is still intact. All right, the yen, so the yen itself in the futures market going down, keep going down, a bit of a pullback here. Remember, as pound yen moves higher, right, the yen, the Japanese yen in the futures market will continue to move lower. Big move lower here. Big move lower here for the yen. All right, this is in the futures market. Okay, Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin. We've been talking about Bitcoin. That's 64,000 range. All right, 64,000 resistance right here is a concern for Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin, in order for Bitcoin to continue to move higher, it's going to get back above that 64,000. Right here, and then move higher, right? Right now, 61,000, it is holding, but it is at risk, all right? Remember, this is where sellers came in before, all right? 2021, early 2021, push Bitcoin all the way down here from 64,000 all the way to about 30,000. And then here, late 2021, made its way all the way up to 64,000 here, and pushed it. Sellers push it all the way back down, all the way to support right here at 15,000. So just remember, this area here, this resistance here, that's a big area for Bitcoin. And currently, it's trading below that resistance level. All right, so keep that in mind. The dollar index is consolidated. All right. So we consolidate and we can move this a bit lower here. All right. So we're getting a tight consolidation in here. Price is being squeezed, right? We have a triangle being formed here. So at this point, guys, we have no idea what the dollar will do. Dollar index either break to the upside or break to the downside. We do have green candles. All right. So the bias is to the upside. All right. So that is the dollar index. Okay. Dollar index. Gold. All right. Gold is holding so far, guys. Very surprised by gold. This is where sellers came in before. Let's draw it out. All right. So this is where sellers came in before. Here, and here. It touched this area here, but moved up. So gold is holding right now. Crude oil is consolidating. Let's do this. And we have a triangle forming here. We do have support and resistance right about here. We'll hold it like this, but it's in a consolidation right now. Crude oil, nothing there with crude oil. The commodity index currently has a buy signal. All right, buy signal. And it's trying to move up right here. Here we are, buy signal here, green candles moving up slowly. All right, that's the commodity index. Okay, the Russell 500. Look here, guys. Russell finally trying to break through resistance again. All right, now the Russell has been in a tight consolidation, guys, since 2022. All right, and that's basically your small cap. So a lot of consolidation in here for many years. All right, buy signal hit, keeps trying to break out. All right, So we'll see how it does. The S&P, all right, S&P, like I said, we see buying coming back into these markets, guys. Last week was very bullish, all right, very, very bullish. Last couple of weeks, all right. So we've seen a big reversal, all right, where buyers are coming back in to the S&P, all right, even the Nasdaq and the Dow. So we've moved those time frames, right, to a 240-minute time frames on the sectors so that we could catch the move. All right, so S&P is right at resistance, guys. Resistance is right here. All right, here's the S&P, right, getting ready to break resistance. This is all-time highs. All right, all-time highs. I heard so a few of you called me, contacted me last week for shorting. Guys, this is not the environment to short, get puts. Okay, this is not the environment. Still very bullish. All those sell short signals are turning around. Okay, all right. Nasdaq, same thing. All right, Nasdaq. Here we are. Right, resistance is right here. You can actually move this right here. All right. Markets up this week. Guess what? We're going to break through that resistance and we're going to make new highs. All right, guys, new highs. All right, on the NASDAQ. Crazy. All right, we are back in new highs territory. It's on the weekly time frame now. So breaks this resistance here. All of a sudden, we're new highs. Okay, that's on the NASDAQ. And same with the Dow. Here we are with the Dow. Total recovery. Look at that. Total recovery here. All right. And here we are. Okay. Nice move last week. All-time highs is right here. This is how close we are to breaking the all-time highs. And these were new all-time highs. All right. New all-time highs getting ready to break those levels. Okay. So long all the way, bullish unless things change. All right, let's take a look at the Magnificent Seven. Let's see how they did. All right, so Apple, all right, Apple is on the weekly time frame, consolidating right here at 180. What's that? 183. Apple. All right, Amazon breaking new highs. Buy signal here on Apple. What was that? 143, trading at 187, breaking highs, guys, on Apple right here. Here's resistance, getting past that resistance. Google, look here, right? Getting past that resistance here. Buy signal 122, trading at 168. Okay, good trade going here. Buy signal here. All right, so these Magnificent Seven stocks, guys, they're recovering. All right, NVIDIA, look here, buy signal here. What's that? At 200. All right, trading all the way up here at 898. Did come all the way down 753, but recovered, right? At higher lows here, and these stocks are recovering really, really well. Okay, so we're out of that bearish scenario. All right, now they're bullish. All right, for NVIDIA to move higher, it needs to get past, what's that, 142, trading now at 942, trading at 898 right now. So it's right here near all-time highs. Okay, Tesla, even Tesla is trying to make a move higher. Still bearish though, still bearish. No green candles. All right, it's going to get past, let's say, about 214. It did recover from a low. So it made a low at 139, recovered all the way at, where is it now? About I think 168 or around there. Okay. Meta, Facebook. All right, buy signal here at right at 200, 476. Nice recovery. All right, nice recovery here. Here's that pullback. Buyers came in last couple of weeks. So last week, a week before last, buyers started to come in. All right, That's this week here. Let me open it up. And then last week, guys, they came in heavy. So that was a week before last right here. And then last week right here. This was that selling, and they've recovered. They've recovered. Now, you know what? We just follow the price action, guys. All right. So this is how traders get in trouble, right? So when the markets change, all right, we've got to change along with it. All right. Change along with it. Microsoft, buy signal here at 193. All right. Retraced here. All right. Retraced here. Held support, all green candles. Look, moving higher again. Very, very bullish. All right. So our thesis sell in May and go away isn't holding right now. So we've just got to go along with the market. All right. So we'll definitely take a look at stocks. Not this evening, though. We'll do that definitely tomorrow. Okay. Look for opportunities in stocks. And I am excited about our new Bullmaster Pro, also for equities. Okay. So we'll touch on that tomorrow. All right. US 30 traders, our US 30 traders, right? That second trade right here, we call that's still holding. All right. So buy signal here, that buy signal came in at right at 39,123, trading at 39,627. Great trade going here. All right. Two trades. We didn't take the first one. All right. Bought here, sold here. This one we've called, bought here, buy signal here, holding nicely. Really good. Our US 30 traders, just pay attention to this trade in the New York session. All right. Hey, Solomon, welcome. On the daily time frame, looks good. All right. Here is our markdown phase or pullback retracement. All right. Here's buyers coming in on the daily time frame. We need a buy signal. So if we break through that resistance right here, we could get a buy signal on the daily. Okay. We'll bring that right up here. Okay. All right. So guys, bullish all the way. Now sellers could definitely come back in. Okay. But right now it's long. All right. It's long. All right. And we talked about Bitcoin. Current positions. Let's go through current positions in Monster Scalper. Okay. So we have long positions. We have 4 long positions in Monster Scalper. All right. Let's clean things up. So Aussie dollar closed, guys. So let's get rid of that. All right. So Aussie dollar buy signal was red candle, sell signal came in, so close that trade, please. Hey, Tylak, welcome, Tylak. All right, Aussie dollar. Aussie Swiss, all right, also closed right here. Buy signal here, broke support right here. Close that trade, Aussie Swiss. All right, New Zealand CAD also closed. Buy signal was here, broke support, right? Sell signal right here. We were hoping this would break out, continue to move higher to this level here, right? But guess what? Closed the trade. Buy signal here, sell signal, white arrow here. No red candles, but closed the trade. New Zealand CAD closed the trade, please. New Zealand dollars, that's still holding. All right, so New Zealand dollar is holding firm here. All right, keep an eye on it since the others are closing. And then we've added some yen pairs on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. So let's go through those. All right. I think those were a decent trade last week on the 60-minute. Right, we had to find some opportunities. So Swiss yen. All right, Swiss yen is still holding, guys. Good trade going there. All right, buy signal, and that's not bad for the 60-minute. All right, buy signal came in at 169 and change. Trading here 170, 171, almost what? That's almost 300 pips, almost. All right, 250. Buy signal here. Look at this, guys. All right, we can definitely catch some trades on that 60-minute. Doesn't happen a lot, but look at that. All right, so that trade entry came in on 5.6, and what is it's not what 5.12. So that's a long time, guys, on the 60-minute, and it's still holding, looking to break through resistance there. So we can definitely catch some moves on that 60-minute time frame. Sometimes, not all the time. All right, so good trade going there. New Zealand yen. All right, buy signal here. Great trade, guys. Look at that. On the 60-minute buy signal here was at 92, right? 34. Sell signal came in all the way up here. Broke support. Good trade here going. All right. New Zealand yen closed the trade. If we get another buy signal here, all right, on a break of this resistance, that might be an opportunity to get another trade. So keep an eye on this, our monster scalper traders. Okay. All right. Swiss yen. All right. Swiss yen. That's holding. Did I call Swiss yen? Euro yen. All right. Euro yen. Buy signal here. Look at this one. It's very similar to Swiss yen, guys. Buy signal here. Hopefully, you guys caught this move in this 60-minute time frame. Okay. You know, we might do this again. All right. These were really good trades. We normally trade on the 240, but these work out really good. We might look to bring in that 60-minute more often. Okay. Buy signal here, holding nicely. All right. If it breaks through that resistance, we could see it move much higher. So, really, congratulations to those of you who are holding these trades on the 60-minute. Pound yen. I think Anthony was in this one. Buy signal here, still holding. All right. He held it all through this pullback right here. All right. If it breaks resistance, right, we can see it move much higher here. Pound yen, and we know pound yen can be difficult to trade. Dollar yen that closed. The buy signal here. All right, buy signal here. Sell signal came in right here. Red candle, white arrow here. That's your sell signal to close the trade. All right, not a bad trade here. 153. What's that? 155. So about a little bit 200 pips. Not bad on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, that's dollar yen. CAD yen. All right, CAD yen buy signal here. That's still holding all green candles. All right. So that, look at that, good trade here. Now, if this one breaks through resistance here, we could see it move much higher. Okay. And then HKD, last one, JPY, this one closed. All right, buy signal here, closed here. We have a new buy signal. All right, but we'll hold off on that. Okay. We'll see what's going on with that later. Okay, so HKD, JPY, we are out of that trade. Okay, there is one short. In Monster Scalper. So Euro ZAR, I thought we closed this. Euro ZAR, let's see here. Yes, Euro ZAR, buy to cover right here. Sell short signal here, buy to cover. There's a new short, but we won't take that. Okay. That trade is over. All right. Equity positions in Stock Boss. All right. CRK, that's holding. And I'm curious to see what HITSICA did on Friday with the market doing what it's doing there. CRK holding right here. ORGN's been moving higher, guys. Right, nice price action here. All right, nice price action. Look at that. All right. Buy signal was at 68, trading at 113. All right. OTLY, that's holding above resistance. That's encouraging. All right. TAC, buy signal here, holding good markdown phase. VTNR, all right, close this trade tomorrow. All right, gap down here, nothing we can do about that. Gap down, red candles. All right, this was the one that was consolidating here. All right, buyers try to come in, but gap down. Support is right here, but close the trade. So VTRN, first thing in the morning, close that trade. Okay. All right, Bull Master, HCC. All right, let's close this one also. It's rejecting that resistance. Buy signal is right here. All right, and they're bringing that down. Lower highs, lower lows. This is a big candle here on Friday. We've got previous resistance is support right here. Protect that trade. Close the trade. HCC. Okay. And JXN still holding a bit of a pullback on Friday, filling in that gap right here. Buy signal here, still holding. Okay, guys. So we've trimmed out a lot of positions. All right, we'll see. If we have time this evening, we might look for some opportunities. Okay. All right, let me make a note here. Stock boss. All right. See. And Bull Master. All right. Now we're going to go here. All right. We have buy signals. Oh, I just can't believe, guys, we are at all-time highs again. Just crazy. All right. And this is why we have to, there's never a vacation, right? We have to stay on these markets, okay, because they change quickly. All right. This was the selling that came in here. It's on the 240. All right. Selling that came in, what a couple of months ago? Not even a month. All right. Couple of month, 5 weeks. This is the selling, and look at that. It's recovered almost all of that move right here. All right. So this is all-time highs territory here. I want to show you guys how close we are. All right. So this is all-time high territory. And here we are right now. So on the 240, buy signal on the 240, heading to that resistance there. Okay. So we are bullish. No, we don't have buy signals on the daily time frame. All right. We'll take it on the 240 unless things change. All right. That's on the Dow. On the NASDAQ, here we are. Look at that. That was that selling. Look at that V. Crazy. All right. Look at that. Very strong, guys. Look at that V. Straight up. Look at that. All right. 240. And here we are. And we've slowly seen more stocks coming into heat seeker bull masters. And look here. All right. So if we break through that resistance this week right here, guess what? We're at all-time high territory. Okay. That's the NASDAQ. That's how close we are to back to the all-time highs. Just amazing. All right. S&P, same thing here on the S&P. All right, all-time highs on the S&P right here. Buy signal here on the 240. This is how close we are. All right. So there's a good chance, guys, we don't have any bad news, right? Negative news right now, as far as day to day. So we could definitely see the market move move higher. The Russell, all right, Russell is not at all time highs, okay, but it does have a buy signal. And look at the VIX. The VIX is at 1255, guys. So it is back at its lowest point. Okay, lowest point I believe was at 1242. It's at 1255. All right, so low volatility. Remember, good for stocks. All right. So flip your hat. All right. All right. Flip it. All right. No longer bearish, bullish again. So don't get emotional about this. Just flip it. Now look for opportunities to go long. Okay. Sectors. All right. Sectors moving up. We have 4 new ups on Friday. So home builders, all right, communication services, industrials, healthcare, new ups, and then biotech, financial, consumer staples, and utilities were up already. Okay. All right. A quick look at the sectors just to see here. All right, so see here, more buyers, more buying coming in here, more buying coming in here. Okay. All right. Let's run Stock Boss quickly. And I might introduce Bull Master Pro. All right. Stock Boss 52. In Stock Boss, let's take a look at the sectors here. Healthcare, technology, quite a bit in technology here coming in. Yeah, we'll look at these more closely tomorrow. All right, Bull Master. 92 guys in Bull Master. Okay, so basic material. Let's see here. So a lot of healthcare and quite a bit of technology too. Okay, and just remember, Nasdaq is at near its all-time highs, getting ready to break again new highs. This is all would be new highs. Okay, all right. Hold on. All right, so look at that. They're moving again. They're moving again. All right, Bull Master Pro. I've been hinting about this system. Okay, we've been wanting to do this for a while. Okay, you guys know we have Bull Master here. All right, here is our Bull Master. Now we've got Bull Master Pro. Okay, so we've added fundamentals. This is going to be very exciting to trade Bull Master Pro. Okay, so we've got stocks in here that have really, really good fundamentals. Okay, as far as earnings and um, like right here, rising profit estimates. All right, so these are companies that have really good profits, but they're increasing in profit. So we add in data, guys. Okay, good data. Relative strength at new highs. All right, so companies that are making new highs, stocks are making new highs, but that strength is increasing. All right, and then new highs. Okay, top 50. These are the top 50 companies in the market, currently based on technical analysis. all right, and fundamentals. All right. We normally, with heat seeker, guys, we only trade in, right, the price action. All right. Volume price action. With pro, all right, we add in fundamentals. All right. We add in fundamentals. This is a big deal. All right. This is a big deal. Sector leaders right here. All right. IPO leaders. All right. So new IPOs, all right, that's coming on board. Carvana is a good one right here. Carvana, good stock, new IPO, came out what, about a little over a year ago, I think. Okay, first buy signal was at $37. All right, closed at 50, right at 60, and came in with a recent buy signal at 71, trading at 79. Okay, the good news about these stocks is that they've got not only good price action, we can see that here, but we've got good fundamentals. All right. And these institutions like these good fundamentals. Okay. All right. So we've added. This is the only system that will be adding fundamentals to right now. Right. We might, we'll see. But right now, right, Bull Master Pro. We still have your heat seeker, still have your heat seeker here. All right. But we add in this right here. Earnings, right? Earnings, all good earnings are built into this also. Okay. We'll spend more time on this. All right. But so this will be more for our like investors. All right. We have traders that do more investing. Not a lot, but that's for those types of traders there. Okay. These stocks, most of these will be more expensive, but you can find, here is one for ASPN. All right. Look at that right here. That's at $27. Okay. So there's some, not all of them are expensive. All right. But we'll spend more time on this. Exciting. And I'm excited to have us trade this. Okay. Bull Master Pro. Okay. All right. So fundamentals, finally, we add in fundamentals. So I do believe in fundamentals. All right. Just needs to be the right fundamentals. Okay. All right. Let's take a quick look at Monster Scalper here. All right. Monster Scalper. We consolidating a bit. I say we're about what, 40% consolidation here. Okay, so keep an eye on that. All right, Aussie dollar, nothing here. Aussie Swiss, nothing here. New Zealand dollar, nothing here. All right, New Zealand CAD. Let's take a look at, we're still waiting for buy signals on the 240 for the yen pairs. And these buy signals are coming in really, really late. Okay, I know we have a buy signal here, all right, red candles here, but the dollar yen still waiting for a buy signal here. Okay, I might as well remove this here. Okay, TRY, JPY, don't count that, nothing here. SGD, JPY, still waiting for a buy signal. And I know it's been frustrating, right? Not getting a buy signal, but we have to wait. All right, we have to wait. And these are high. All right, but for whatever reason, we're not getting a buy signal. New Zealand yen, we're already in that one. Okay, we have a buy signal on the 60-minute. All right, I think we did call this New Zealand yen on the daily, yes. So New Zealand yen on the daily. I think some of you are in this trade. HKD JPY, no buy signal yet, just holding. All right, so I know it's high. We should have gotten one by now. All right, but if it breaks through that resistance, we could get one. HKD JPY, so don't give up on them. Pound yen, all right, same here. We should have a buy signal by now. So especially with resistance. Now, this doesn't look at least here, this is good resistance here. We should get that buy signal somewhere in here, but still waiting for buy signals. All right, let's bring this in. So you guys might want to go ahead and just bring in your trend lines in anticipation of the buy signals, okay? All right, pound yen, euro yen. Same thing here. Look at this, no buy signal, guys. All right, look at that, all that green, no buy signals. All right, but don't get in. Wait for that buy signal. But you guys know on the 240, that's why we did the 240. You could catch it on the 240. I mean, on the 60 minute, okay? All right. Wait for those buy signals. Swiss yen, buy signal here. So we'll call Swiss yen. So that came in. All right. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Swiss yen. So CHF, JPY, long in monster scalper. Okay. All right. So we got one here. And still okay to get in. Hasn't broken out yet. All right. Resistance is right about here. Right about here. Where that selling started right here. All right. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely. Again, still good to get in. CAD yen. CAD yen, no buy signal yet. So just get ready. And with the markets moving higher, guys, equity markets moving higher, the yen pairs, they like to follow. Okay, just waiting for a buy signal there. CAD yen, Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen has a buy signal, so we'll count this one here. So we'll add Aussie, AUD, JPY, long in monster scalper. Okay. Aussie yen. Right here. Okay. If you want to wait for it to break through that resistance, you certainly can. Okay. Looks like it wants to. Okay. Short the dollar. We're going to hold off on the dollar. And these are mixing here. See here, very mixed, right? Up and down in here. That dollar index, that's a tricky trade. All right. The dollar index right now, guys, right here. Still holding its buy signal, has pulled back from resistance. Currently, it's up. Okay. But if we look here, it's basically consolidating. And if you look here, this is where sellers came in before, almost identical. You see that pullback here from resistance? Same here, right? And look, sellers came in heavy here, all the way back down. All right. So, but buyers could come in. This market is tricky. But the fact that equities are moving higher, there's a good chance that the dollar index could come down. Okay. But we'll just hold off on any shorts on the dollar index. So yen long right now, that's the trade. Okay. And those of you who caught it on the 60-minute, good job. All right. And if you can hold on, if the 60-minute holds fine, that might turn into the 240 for some of you. Okay. All right, guys. Equities, keep an eye on equities. Okay. Those of you who trade in Stock Boss, Bull Master, we'll go through some of the stocks tomorrow, but we can see where these markets easily, All right, start making all-time highs. Here we are, S&P. This is the all-time highs on the S&P. Here we are. This is it right here. Here we are. We're right back. Right, couple of weeks and we're right back there. Crazy, right? S&P, NASDAQ, right here. Look at the NASDAQ. This is the all-time highs on the NASDAQ. Here we are right here. All right, and Bitcoin should move too. All right, Bitcoin will move with the equity markets. Okay, so we could see Bitcoin move also. All right, here's the Dow. Here's the all-time high. All right, here's the Dow. So these buyers are not ready. They are absolutely not ready. So selling made and go away? Not yet. All right, not yet. So we need to be flexible. So find your opportunities, find your spot. Okay, as the market moves higher, we could see where Forex kind of slows down a bit. Okay, and we could see we're starting to see a bit of consolidation. Okay, so we might find some opportunities here. All right, 92 in Bull Master, was it? That's a lot. 92 stocks in Bull Master, 50 something in Stock Boss. That's a lot. They're back. You guys know a month ago, we were lucky if we found 20. Okay, so pay attention to what's going on. All right, guys. All right, US 30 traders. Solomon, you on here? Please tell me you took advantage of this trade here. Let's see here. That US 30 trade, hopefully, right? You took advantage of that. Buy signal here, guys. What a great trade here. All right. Not a lot of movement. All right. To get us out of the trade. All right. Some white candles in here, but it held. Buyers are still in control. Look at that. And held overnight. Held overnight. Okay. So if the market is up tomorrow, we could see where we are testing that resistance here, right? On the Russell, on the Monster US 30, and then giving a buy signal, possibly give a buy signal here. So great, two great trades. We didn't call this one here, right? A lot of volatility in here, non-farm payroll, but it turned out well. This one here, though, good trade going here. That's a lot of money right here, guys. Ton of money. So hopefully you guys are taking advantage of this trade right here. The NAS 100, all right, not as well, right? It's buy signal here, just consolidating right here. We didn't call that one, so just be careful there. And then the S&P E-mini, all right, buy signal here, that's holding firm too. All right, but that NAS, much better trade with the US 30. Okay, guys. All right. Thanks for coming. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good trading. All right. Be careful out there. Follow the trend. And right now, the trend is long in equities unless things change. Okay. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.